It's official. Gigi Hadid and Bradley Cooper are no longer hiding their love story from the spotlight. But this time, it's not a paparazzi photo or a red carpet moment doing the talking. It's something far more personal. Gigi, one of the world's most famous supermodels, just gave a rare and heartfelt public shout-out to her boyfriend, Hollywood legend Bradley Cooper, for his brand new movie, Is This Thing On? The gesture came as the film closed the 63rd New York Film Festival, and even though Gigi wasn't there on the red carpet, her presence was felt in the sweetest way possible. With one simple Instagram story, she sent the internet buzzing, posting a picture from the premiere night with a message that melted hearts. Premiere night. Congratulations to my love and the whole crew. It's short, simple, and incredibly intimate. The kind of post that says everything without saying too much. For fans, that little message spoke volumes. Gigi Hadid has always kept her private life just that, private. So seeing her open up, even in such a subtle way, felt like a rare peek behind the curtain. The post wasn't just about supporting a boyfriend. It was about celebrating his passion and hard work. Bradley Cooper, now 50, isn't just an actor. He's a director, producer, and creative powerhouse. His latest film, Is This Thing On?, marks his third directorial project. And closing the New York Film Festival is no small feat. Even though Gigi wasn't photographed alongside him on the red carpet, her quiet online gesture made an even louder statement. It showed pride, affection, and maybe even a glimpse of how strong their relationship has become over the past year. Fans immediately began sharing screenshots, calling her message adorable, classy, and so Gigi. Gigi's shout-out also came with a little nudge to her millions of followers. She urged everyone to catch the movie in theaters this December. That one line instantly turned her post from a romantic gesture into a full-on boost for Bradley's film. And it makes sense. This is a big moment for him. Is This Thing On isn't just another Hollywood release. It's a passion project that Bradley directed and stars in alongside Will Arnett, Laura Dern, and Andra Day. After premiering at the New York Film Festival, it's already creating buzz as a heartfelt dramedy with emotional depth and Cooper's signature creative touch. What's interesting is that even without walking the red carpet, Gigi managed to steal the spotlight. Her quiet way of showing support was a reminder that love doesn't always need to be loud. It can be subtle, supportive, and deeply genuine. Their relationship has been one of Hollywood's most intriguing love stories. Gigi Hadid, 30, and Bradley Cooper, 50, first sparked dating rumors in late 2023. At first, many thought it was just another short-lived celebrity fling, two stars crossing paths at the right time. But over the past year, they've proven everyone wrong. What started as quiet dinners in New York quickly evolved into something serious. Both are single parents. Gigi shares her daughter Kai, 5, with former One Direction singer Zayn Malik, while Bradley is dad to Lea Desane, 8, from his previous relationship with model Irina Shayk. That shared understanding of parenting and privacy seems to have built a strong foundation between them. When you look at them now, they're not chasing attention. They're protecting what matters most: love, family, and mutual respect. Their journey together has been refreshingly grounded for two of the world's most photographed people. They didn't rush into public appearances or use social media to flaunt their romance. Instead, they let it unfold naturally. It wasn't until May of this year that Gigi and Bradley officially confirmed their relationship with a joint post on social media, a moment fans had been waiting for. Since then, their chemistry has been undeniable. From casual strolls through New York to cozy dinners in Brooklyn, they've managed to blend Hollywood glamour with everyday normalcy. Then came August, when the couple was spotted together at John F. Kennedy International Airport, sparking fresh engagement rumors. Fans noticed a certain sparkle on Gigi's hand, though neither of them commented. Whether it's an engagement or just a close bond, one thing is clear. This is a relationship built on trust and time, not headlines. And while fans love their romantic chemistry, what's really impressive is how both of them continue to thrive professionally. For Bradley Cooper, Is This Thing On represents another milestone in his evolution as a filmmaker. After directing A Star Is Born and Maestro, this third outing shows his commitment to telling human stories that feel raw, funny, and deeply real. Critics at the New York Film Festival praised his performance and direction, calling it one of his most intimate works yet. Meanwhile, Gigi continues to dominate the fashion world while running her own brand and raising her daughter. Watching her cheer on Bradley's success reminds people that behind all the fame, these two are just artists who understand each other's drive. Their relationship isn't built on glitz, it's built on shared ambition and emotional connection. That's what makes it feel so authentic. What also makes their relationship resonate with fans is the way they balance fame with privacy. In an era where every detail of a celebrity's life is broadcast online, Gigi and Bradley have taken a different route. They've shown that you can live in the spotlight without losing your sense of self. When Gigi posted that simple story congratulating My Love, it wasn't a publicity stunt, it was personal. You could feel the sincerity behind it. No photo of the two of them, no flashy caption, just pride and affection. It's the kind of authenticity people crave from Hollywood couples. And maybe that's why fans are rooting for them so hard. They're proof that love in the limelight can actually last when it's grounded in respect, maturity, and shared values. It's a refreshing story in a world obsessed with drama and breakups. As Gigi Hadid and Bradley Cooper step into this new chapter together, they're showing the world that true connection doesn't need constant attention. It speaks for itself. Their love story has unfolded quietly, beautifully, and at its own pace. Now with Bradley's movie Is This Thing On heading to theaters this December 19th, it feels like both of them are stepping into the spotlight, but on their own terms. For Gigi, it's about love, support, and celebrating her partner's success without needing to stand beside him on a carpet. For Bradley, it's about creative growth and personal happiness after years of balancing career and fatherhood. Whether or not engagement rumors are true, one thing is clear. This couple has found something rare in Hollywood: balance, privacy, and genuine affection. And for fans watching their story unfold, that's something worth rooting for.